Alright everybody, I just fired up the cell. It hasn't warmed up yet. It's running at 14.8, 14.7 amps. Just doing its normal thing. Get some, see the production and some of the foam. It's completely full in the reservoir. We're running at about 140 volts DC. We're running at 112 volts AC. Let's see, is that about it? Yeah, that's about it for now. I'm going to get the engine fired up, and we're going to see what happens to all those deposits we left on there. See if it cleans it. I'm interested to find out. So, let me get this thing set up. Let's see. That's about it. I'm using the, I'll take the whole tripod over. I'm using the injection method. I'm going to be monitoring it all day. Wait for the airplane. They like to buzz the house. I'm going to use the injection method for now. I need to go pick up some firm tubing so I don't collapse the manifold vacuum. I've got my second flash arrestor right there. The tube goes all the way up. It's right there. Up and into the dryer slash bubbler. I have a bypass line on the bottom to drain out foam and things like that. It just goes over there and dumps out on the ground. Yeah, I'm sure I'm going to hear all kinds of stuff from everybody about that. But let's get this thing fired up. See how it all goes. Can't say at least my neighbors can't complain too much. We get air traffic all day, so a little generator isn't no big deal. Even if I did lose the muffler. Scarecrow. That's a nice job, by the way. I can't believe that. Yeah, that's funny stuff. Alright, let's fire this thing up. Sorry about that, had to grab my adjustment screwdrivers since I messed with the carburetor adjustment. I don't know if it's set correctly or not, so I need to be able to adjust it. There. Alright, check the system for pressure. That's 3 psi. Looks good. Open up the torch. I usually moisten the bronze wool on the torch just in case, extra precaution. So I blow out the moisture. Yep. Torch seems ready to go. Engine off. So, nothing huge, you know, just starting it back up. I'm gonna let this run until I run completely out of water. I started the series with 10 gallons of distilled. I'm down to my last 2. It's kind of funny, you know, you run out of water. You come out of the store with 10 gallons of distilled water, people look at you strange. And then they ask you what it's for, and you really can't answer them. I mean, what are you going to tell them? I'm running my engine on it. They just look at you like you're a kook, so... yeah, I need to go pick up some more. It's starting to become a regular habit. But there we go. I'll let it run for probably as long as I ran it on the gasoline, just to see what happens. Approximately 12-hour period. One reservoir of water usually runs me, what was the last time? No... It was a good 6 or 7 hours between all the plinking around. But I'm going to let this thing run just like that. And we'll see what it does. So you guys take care, and I'll give you a report as soon as I'm done.